you seeing me.
Alright, good morning, y'all. I am actually about to eat before we go work out. I'm starving, like so hungry. So we're gonna eat some Greek yogurt with some fruit, and then I'm also gonna make a matcha latte. So as you guys know, I've been like really MIA from YouTube and all my social medias in general because I have been so busy. Like sometimes I be feeling like it's not enough 24 hours in the day, but honestly, ever since we moved here, I just been like whatever, like I just been waking up whenever, doing whatever, but honestly I just haven't been taking advantage of all of my time. So yeah, they didn't have a bench, so he's not able to get us set up. I'm gonna see if it works, and then we'll see.
And go Holly Berry or Holly Dooley. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shoe, but the one in front of the gun lives forever. And I've been hustling all day, this way, that way, through canals and alleyways, just to say money trees is the perfect place for shade. And that's just how I feel. Ain't dollar make just fucking name, bitch. That's just how I feel. Ain't dollar right, say fuck the niggas that you gave with. That's just how I feel. Ain't dollar right, just make the lane switch. That's just how I feel. Ain't dollar right, turn to $1 million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Bump that new E40 at the school. You know, big ballin' with my homies. Earl Stevens had us thinking rational. Back to reality, we pour ya, bitch. Ain't nothing casualty at war, ya, bitch. 2 bullets in my Uncle Tony head. He said one day I'll be on tour, ya, bitch. That Louis burgers never be the same. Hey, Louis Belder never ease that pain. But I'ma purchase when that day is drinking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirting. Gang signs out the window, yeah, bitch. Hoping all love will offend you, yeah, bitch. They say your hood is a pot of gold, and we go crash it when nobody's home. Think you wasn't tell me what you do. Everybody don't respect the shoe, but the one in front of the gun is forever.
Meal that we're cooking is super simple, super easy. If you guys don't know, if you haven't watched my what I eat in a week, you need to go watch that right now. But I basically told y'all why I started back eating chicken and meat. So I eat chicken and turkey. So today's breakfast is gonna be chicken sausage and 2 eggs. It's really late, like it's like 11. It's really late, so it's like a late breakfast, so I'm gonna just keep it light and protein packed. Same spot, but I just went ahead and made me like late lunch, early dinner. I'm not gonna lie, this chicken is kind of dry. Like I forgot to cut it in strips when I cooked it, and y'all know like I'm new to cooking chicken again, so I'm still kind of like relearning. Yes, this is my lunch. Like, I'm a person where, yo, why I got on the same shirt? Look. I got on the same shirt, but this shirt is really comfortable and it's long sleeve. I can't edit a whole video in one sitting. I have to like do it for like an hour and a half and then take a break, and then, you get what I'm saying? This turned into like a mini what I ate in a day. So earlier after my lunch, I had some strawberries and I also had 3 Oreos. You know, we're all about balance over here, okay? And then I had some chicken left over, so I made a mini quesadilla, and I'm just gonna eat a little bit of this rice, and that's gonna be my dinner. It's like I'm hungry, but I'm not like starving, so I just want to put something on my stomach. This is my jam fit of today. I have on these leggings from my brand. It comes with a matching sports bra, but like I don't want to be matchy all the time. And then I have on this top from Amazon that I talked about in my Amazon haul. Yeah, so
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive.
it's later. I just got off work. Not just, but you know what I mean. And we have some ripe avocado. Sorry, mango. And mango with some tahini, but we don't have tahini. This is what we got. Hold on. Chili lime seasoning. So what I'm gonna do is cut up some and sprinkle a little bit, and then we're gonna taste it and see if it tastes good. Oh my god, it's so ripe. Y'all see it? But it needs that chamoy. I like it though. So I'm gonna put a little bit on mine. I need some more.
Acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to side. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind what I Percocet, Miley Percocet, Miley Percocet, rep the shit, gotta rep the shit, dang. Chase the shit, never kiss a bitch. Mask on, fuck it, mask on, mask on, fuck it, mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase the shit, never kiss a bitch. 2 cups, toast over the game, from food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottle, yeah, I'm a living proof, so they compromising $500,000 coupe, drug houses.
Yeah, no.
I need some iced out bucks. If you tryna cuff, wanna see the diamonds in your eyes while we making love.
We are at this Asian market because I need to get some matcha, and I just want to see what they have. In Memphis they have this Asian market on Winchester that's really good, so I just want to see what they have and maybe buy like some vegetables, some fruits and stuff for the week.
Sleeping all day, chipping, rolling, 50, okay, about to lose it. The body on fire, who love me long till you get tired. Ooh, baby, you got what you the real one, I'm inspired. Take me, now when that night is, shit, put that game on. And do it all right, baby, nice and slow. Take me, now when that night is.
We end up getting these 2 flavors of chips. Y'all know I love chips. Oh my god, the sun. Y'all know I love chips, so
not bad. Definitely a different texture than what we used to.
And then the second flavor, whoa, we got was this flavor right here. So just chicken. It smells like curry. This is the best one. These are good. These are real good. They almost taste kind of sweet. We just got back from the grocery store. I want to show y'all what I got really quick. So I ended up getting this coconut milk for my coconut curry I'm gonna make. And then this garlic chili sauce. This is really spicy, but if you eat like a lot of ramen, you can actually put it in your ramen. And then we ended up getting some kimchi, which was also super cheap. I think I paid $6.99 for this. Usually if you go to Trader Joe's or wherever else, it's like $10. So yeah, I ended up getting some matcha powder. That's originally what I went in there for, was to get matcha and kimchi, but they didn't have this brand. So they didn't have this brand, which it's okay. So I ended up just getting this. Let me see what it looks like. And then everything else we got was produce. Last thing we got is this sriracha. This is the best brand. We got like some off-brand stuff last time and it just don't taste the same. So yeah. Hey y'all, so we are about to work out, but we're supposed to work out at my boyfriend's gym, which is Powerhouse, and they close at 10 and it's like 9:30. In here?
Yeah, it closed at 10.
Golly. This place closes at 10 too, which is in our apartment. So we're about to just do all machines and then I'm gonna finish with Bulgarian split squats.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Bitch, this is fame, not cloud. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Bitch, this is fame, not cloud. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Working, 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 working. Watch your mouth. Working, working, working.
Sunday, and we're about to do a Sunday reset, but first we're going to make some matcha. While my tea kettle is brewing, I'm gonna spray in the bathroom so everything can soak. Why do we think everything needs to soak? And y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm about to use the matcha packet that I got yesterday. I hope it's good, y'all. It's good.
A secret admirer.
Working, watch your mouth. Working, working, working. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth, bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth, working, 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 working. Watch your mouth, working, 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 working on a weekend like. Working on a weekend like I'm working, 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 working. Watch your mouth, working, 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 working on